Oh my gosh, I've lost my ever-loving mind, but you know, welcome to the Hot Mess Express. And welcome. Today's video we're going to be unboxing our Slay Glam Box for April. It's been a little delayed because of shipping because of all of the craziness going on. We'll touch on that a little bit later, but today's video is a giveaway and you guys stay tuned for that. I'll give you more information on how to enter into the giveaway and you're definitely going to want to enter it. Anyways, before we jump into the unbagging and all of that fun stuff, if you guys are new here, disclaimer as always, if you're a hot mess, you need to stay here. You need to hit that subscribe button and turn on that notification bell because we embrace the hot mess here. It is a judgment and drama free zone where we sit back, relax, we talk about makeup, we have a good time, and you know, that's it. We just have a good time. Okay, I am highly caffeinated. The bang is strong. My favorite, you guys recommended that candy apple crisp or whatever it's called, and oh my gosh, it's been my go-to. So you're welcome for all of the high energy that I'm spreading your way through the YouTube. So anyways guys, let's just go ahead and jump in. Oh my gosh, I've lost my ever-loving mind, but you know, welcome to the Hot Mess Express. So I'm going to pull up a little information for you guys regarding the Slay Glam Box, and it is a monthly box that will cost you $24 a month. You will receive 5 to 7 full-size makeup products with a minimum of $100 in value. Now you will receive a card in your little, isn't this box so cute? It looks like a little mini purse, but anywho, you will receive a card with information about each item in here. And today's video, I did try on some of the products in here. I actually created this eye look with the first item I am going to show you guys, which is by Glam Light. This is called the Royalty Palette. It's 15 luxury eyeshadows, and information on it, it does say that it has a retail value of $35, but it is currently on sale. I will have a video that should be popped up over here for you guys on how I did create this look. This is what the inside of the palette looks like. It's kind of got that metallic background, so I don't know if you guys will really be able to see the colors and shades. Sorry about that between the lighting and whatnot. But I did think it was a really pretty palette. I've actually never used Glam Light's eyeshadow formula before, and I thought it was a decent palette. I think that, you know, for it being a $25 palette on sale, I think that's a good price. This box is, like I said, $24, and I actually really like the mattes that I used in this palette, and some of the shimmers that I did use, I did like as well. This shade right here, this glow, is it Gold Getter shade right here, it's gold. It is a pressed glitter. I couldn't think what that was called, and I'm not a huge, like, I love glitter, I love to see it, I love the sparkle, and I'm not like all the time all about it, but I have to say it is kind of pretty. So I don't know, it's not, I don't reach for glitter that often, but fortunately there's only one glitter shade in this palette. But other than that, I found that the shades were really pretty. I mean, like this purple shade right here is just absolutely stunning. I will say this shade up here, Ambition and Empower. So this shade here, this gold shade and this purple shade, they're definitely pressed a little different. That will almost make you feel like it's gonna hard pan, but you still get a payoff, and you will actually see in this video over here that I do use this gold shade, and it's just more sheer. It's definitely more sheer than, say, like the shade Faith in the pan. But overall, still a decent palette, worked very well, and I was happy with it. So, and like I said, I really enjoyed the mattes in here. And I did use my Gerard Cosmetics Clean Canvas Eye Base, and it's working very, very well with that. And I think that the shades that I used, I really like, and I incorporated with the next item in here that I want to show you guys, which is by Illuminati, and this is the Illuminati Cosmetics. This is a gel paint electric pink and electric blue pencils. Now, I am going to pull the pink one out because I did not use this blue one in this particular little pouch. So I am going to save the blue one and set it aside for you guys. I don't know what I had done with my pencil, my pink one, because I had gotten this in another subscription box and I had used the pink before, but these are awesome. These are awesome. They're insanely expensive. They have a retail value of $42, but I will tell you guys, I used the pink on my waterline and the blue is actually on my tight line, and I really like these pencils. I think that even if you're not one to really venture out and do colors too often, you'll still find a way to kind of incorporate these pencils, and I did think that they were fun, and I would definitely never spend $42. So that's when I loved getting subscriptions, because like I said, if you're not going to spend $42 but you get it in a $24 subscription box, that's when these things come in handy. And like I said, they work really well. You don't have to press down hard at all to get the payoff that you're looking for. So I think that you will definitely enjoy these pencils, and I'm happy to get them. I actually had gotten another set and I had given it to Haley, and Haley's like, oh my gosh, Mom, the payoff and pigmentation you get with these pencils, it's crazy. I'm like, I know. They're so fun, and the pink is such a bright neon pink. I was a little scared it would give me like that exhaustion eye, but it doesn't. It's just fun. So it's just fun to have in your collection. Okay, so moving on, the next item that I see in here is the Pinpoint Lead Tweezers by Kaylin. And I have actually never tried the tweezers before, but I've tried their face masks before, and these do have a retail value of $18. And I was watching Anne's video on these, and she showed how they actually light up, so I thought that that was pretty cool. Oh, there's a little button. I gotta take this little doodad off. Okay, hold on. Wow, it actually really does light up. Okay, so again, this is not something I would have thought to purchase myself, but always fun. There's like a little button right here. How cool is that? But it's always fun to get little things like this in your subscription box. And like I said, retail value of $18. The next item that I see in here is the Oakland Vivid Matte Liquid Matte Lipstick. Oh, okay, so it's a liquid and an actual lipstick. I actually watched Anne's and Brett's video unboxing of this, and I'm actually gonna just go ahead and keep this in the container and put this in a future giveaway for you guys. But this is by Oakland, and this does have a retail value of $14.99, and so you'll get two different, like a liquid lipstick and then like a bullet type of lipstick in here. And I'm not gonna lie, I kind of miss seeing more Oakland. You guys remember Shop Hush? We used to see Oakland all the time from there. And then there's one more item in here, and this is a Mineral Treatment Cosmetic Blush. Ooh, it is super, super dark. It has a retail value of $13.95. See if it'll focus. You guys see how dark that is? Again, I'm going to set this aside and put this in a future giveaway for you guys. I feel like with this, you could use it as a blush as well as a eyeshadow. I think it would be a pretty eyeshadow as well. So again, everything that we received was the tweezers, the blush, the lipstick set, as well as we did get the eye gel pencils and the palette, and this was $24. So I feel like this is pretty good for $24 because the palette alone, even on sale, is $25. And like I said, it is really pretty. Almost sort of reminds me of the Smoky Glow palette just a little bit with some of the shades in here. So that is everything in the April box. Now I know I'm late getting, not only getting the video up to you guys, but it was late shipping out. But so just real quick to touch on the shipping, I know a lot of people, Anne said, were upset with the shipping delays and everything, and she actually does touch on that on the little postcard. She did say that she does apologize for the shipping and the response delays due to the pandemic that is going on, and they are going to work harder on getting things out as fast as they can. Like I said, this is only my second time unboxing this box on our channel, but she did want to go ahead and do a giveaway where you can get 3 months of the Slay Glam Box. Now you guys know that I keep my giveaways very, very easy. All you have to do is you must be subscribed, and you have to stay subscribed. Then make sure in the comment section down below you let me know the best way to to get a hold of you, whether that be your email, your Instagram, or your Twitter handle. And I do ask that if you are putting your Twitter or your Instagram handle, please make sure that you are following me on that social media. I'll pop mine up over here. It's just at HotmessMomma4. And I'm trying, like I said, really hard to grow my Instagram. So if you guys would follow me, I would greatly appreciate it over there. And I will put all details and everything of the giveaway listed down below for you guys. But like I said, I keep it very easy. I do pick at random in the comment section, so it does help you actually if you leave more comments and whatnot. It doesn't necessarily have to be emojis, because I've learned from the past, too many emojis will start sticking it into the spam section. So let me know your favorite item in the Slay Glam Box, as well as don't forget to leave me the best way for us to get a hold of you and enter into the giveaway, or even just let me know, like, hey, I want to be entered into the giveaway, your email, your Instagram, what have you. And if you guys would, like I said, please make sure to subscribe. Stay subscribed. I will leave a link to my Instagram. I would greatly appreciate if you would go over and follow me on my Instagram. I want that 10K. I want that 10K. I want the swipey uppy. That's all I really want. I just want to be able to do the swipe up when I post a video. That's literally it. And once I get that, I think I'll be fine. Like, I could just sit with 10K all day for the rest of the years, and as long as I got that swipey uppy, I'm gonna be one happy girl. So anyways, guys, like I said, this is $24 a month, and you will receive at least $100 worth of product in here. I'm gonna go ahead and add everything up for you guys and give you guys a grand total. A grand total of everything, and the April Slay Glam Box did come to $123.94. Now that was me counting the royalty palette as $35. If we take away the $10, that does make it a total of $113.94. So like it states on Instagram and on the website, at least a minimum of $100 worth of product in this box, which we did get. And I think that it was a cute box. And make sure to subscribe, because you will want to make sure to get notifications on my next giveaway that will be coming up very shortly. You guys know June is my birthday month, just saying. Okay guys, I'm all over the place. Anyways guys, I have to jump off. I have to get dinner going and all of that fun stuff. I hope you guys are safe and well wherever you are. I hope you decide to stick around and subscribe, turn on that notification bell. I'm uploading videos all the time over here, and enter into that giveaway. Leave me a comment down below. Like I said, it'll be chosen at random. And until next time, friends, as always, I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye.